Today's video is Classic Caillou escapes jail for the second time / hijacks the fastest train / sent to Antarctica. I wanna get out of this stupid padded cell. What should I do? I know, I'm gonna use plotagon logic for the last time. Ha 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 ha. Plotagon logic, activate. Yeah. Now, let's hijack the fastest train in the world. This is going to be so fun. Ha 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 ha. Meanwhile at Classic Cailou's house.
Let's watch the news. But I hope for God's sake Classic Caillou does not hijack anything.
Breaking news. Hijacker named Classic Caillou has escaped using plotagon logic. He is now planning to hijack the fastest train in the world. If you see this hijacker, call 911. Anyways, stay tuned for more news.
I knew it. Classic Caillou has hijacked 4 vehicles now and then the fastest train in the world? Oh my god, he is literally a psychopath. I will call the cops once again.
911, what's your emergency?
Classic Caillou has escaped once again using plotagon logic. He is planning to hijack the fastest train in the world. Can you search for him quick?
Okay, we will search him as soon as possible.
Thank you.
At the train station. Alright, now let's head in. There's the train. Now I gotta get in. I'm gonna lock the door so nobody will get in. Ha 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 ha. Now I got the controls. It's time to start the train. Meanwhile at the passenger cars. Where's the hijacker? I better tell somebody to know where the hijacker is. Hey you. Do you know where the hijacker is? Just I suspected. Yes! The hijacker named Classic Caillou is in the driver's seat in front the maglev. At the driver's seat. What does the red button do? Open the door now, or I will bust in. No! I am not going to say it again. Open the door right now or I will bust in and arrest you. No! There's nothing you can do. I will switch the lever. Oh my gosh! It's going 396 miles per hour. Brake. No! The brakes have failed. Now it's going 412 miles per hour. At the Plotagon International Maglev Station.
I hope Classic Caillou stops this maglev right now. If he does, he's going to be ground big time.
Whoa, look at that maglev. It's going super fast.
Wait! I think I know why it's moving extremely fast. It was that bald potato dumbass named Classic Caillou, who randomly pressed a button or a lever, now is going to derail it, thanks to him.
At the maglev. The maglev is overheating. Thanks to the air. We are gonna crash. At Plotagon City. What the fuck? So Dylan, what do you want to do today? I wanna go to a theme park. Let's go to the game show. At the Plotagon game show.
So Danny, what is?
Meanwhile at the news. news. Breaking news. The fastest train in the world has derailed into Plotagon City, crashing into Plotagon Game Show and then crashing into several random buildings. This was caused by a dangerous hijacker named Classic Caillou, who is the #1 wanted person in the entire world. It also even killed all the people except for the police officer and the hijacker. This is considered one of the most deadliest incidents in history, so stay tuned for more news. At court. Classic Caillou, 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 Plastic. Blue. Are you a freaking paranoid or what? Why would you hijack the fastest train in the world? That's it. I had enough of your psychopathic behavior. You are going to be sent to Antarctica instead.
Oh, and it will also take your Plotagon logic away, so you can't escape.
When he is sent to Antarctica.
Good luck in Antarctica. Goodbye.
That's all for today's video.